So here's my 16 to 50mm kit lens, and this is a JJC cap. This one will also work with the new lens. I hope so. Come on, open. Come on. Okay. Now we can finally open. Okay, here we go. Let me install this JJC Auto Cap for the 16 to 50. How the hell to install? I have no idea. There's no manual inside. Huh? There's no manual inside. How the hell should I install? Oh, very simple. Just twist. Wow. No rocket science. Let me open now. The battery inside. Why the hell is not opening? Cannot attach the lens properly. Okay, now it's working. It's working. This is a must buy. Wow! I got a Ricoh GR III killer. One hand camera, one hand. Zoom also. You need one hand. Wow, there's a beautiful sexy girl walking. Let me turn on. Oh no, I'm at 16mm. No, she's at 50mm. Let me zoom. Clear image zone. Okay, zoom out. So this is a must buy. Subscribe and bye. Wow, amazing. Bye bye.